Hi, welcome back. I'm Jane. I live in Utah, Zone 6, up against the Wasatch Mountains. Today we're going to work on the swallowtail seeds that I got in a seed haul, and I have a video on that. So we're going to do some winter sowing with some of these. So come along, I'll show you what I'm doing. I'm going to sow the Palace Purple coral bells, and I am excited. So with winter sowing, you don't really follow the seed packet, you just kind of sprinkle. So I have some potting soil in a reused food container. I put drainage at the bottom, and now I'm going to sprinkle these seeds over the top. And I might do one other package of coral bells in here too, because I really like to sow generously. So I'm going to put all 3 of them in, because that's what I do. Firefly coral bells, Palace Purple, and the newest hybrids. These all came from Swallowtail garden seeds. These seeds are so tiny. These ones are pelleted. And then look. These seeds are so ridiculously small that I'm going to do half of this with heuchera and then put some other stuff in it. Look at that. It's like dust. I'm going to put it on the one side. The other half is going to be Scabiosa summer berries mixed. Okay, this is ready to go outside. Hey, puppies. Let's go find a spot for this. Some of these swallowtail seeds are going to be started inside. I'm not quite sure about the Lisianthus because I'm intimidated by them anyway, and we are in March, so it might be too late to start those. Maybe I'll start them next year. But the Maverick Apple Blossom Geranium, I'm so excited! This one's going to be started inside. It likes the warmth. I started these cute little geranium mix. I'll put the date on the screen, but I think it was a few weeks ago. Look how cute! That one's starting to get color on it. So the pelleted heucheras did not go in the winter sowing, not because it won't work, but because they're so tiny and little. I'm going to do these ones inside. And I've heard over and over again, if you have pelleted seeds, use them up in that year because they don't last very well. These are the ones I have left to winter sow. These pelleted seeds are the heucheras, the coral bells. I'm going to put them in both of these. And then this is the apple blossom geranium, and there's really not a lot of seeds in this, but they're pelleted so you can see them. So hopefully that helps. And then I'll put half in this one and half in this one. Okay, I have 10 pelleted apple blossom seeds each. So I'll just do like a 1, 2, maybe I can't count. There's 6 on one side. And then I'll do the same thing over here. Okay, this is the coral bells. And I don't want to pop it open and have it fall everywhere. These are also pelleted, so that's very kind. 30 maybe. So I'm going to take a pinch over here, and I'm going to sprinkle them in on the top. I'm going to do the same thing to this side. Sprinkle them to cover it with vermiculite. So I'm going to put all 3 of these in this salad container for winter sowing. I've got Lady's Mantle, Burning Heart Heliopsis, and Tango Agastache. Because I think all three of those will do well in the same area when I start planting them in clumps. Swallowtail, potting soil, 318. So one thing is they do not have many seeds in their packages, but I am impressed with the seeds themselves. So this was the Burning Heart Heliopsis, and I am going to sprinkle. No rhyme or reason. This is the Lady's Mantle. This is one of the main reasons I bought swallowtail seeds, is because I really wanted this in my yard. Pretty small, not pelleted, but we're just going to sprinkle. This is the Tango Agastache or hyssop, and truth be told, I could buy every one of the hyssops on their website. Not very many, but it's the Tango type. I'm so excited for the variety, so I just sprinkle it in. Because I didn't have a lot of seeds in each of these, I feel like I could add a couple more varieties. I'm going to go get some more seeds. I'm going to add some white straw flower I got in a trade. Thank you for whoever sent these to me. I'm super excited. And that should fill up this container. I'm excited for these, and I will just sprinkle them over the top. I chose to use twine and put another salad container over the top. So now it's ready to go outside. Well, that's it for this video. I hope the swallowtail seeds do really well, and I'll leave you with seeing some of my geraniums. Bye!